Yo, what's good, guys? Zach the Storm Chaser. We're playing some Twisted Beta right now. And I think we have a tornado right in front of us right now. Let me check radar. No, we don't. It's just the wall cloud, so yeah. So, we're just heading to the storm right now, guys, so just be patient. I'll keep you guys posted in a sec. Guys, an update. We're just getting some gas. Just got a refuel, and we'll be heading to the storm. And of course, I went the wrong way, so I'll keep you guys posted, and it's very clear. But the tornado is off to the north, so I gotta really speed up towards the north. I'll keep you guys posted. Large violent tornado in front of us. Likely an EF3 plus tornado. Violent wedge tornado on the ground. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more of this crazy content, guys. Large violent long track tornado on the ground. It's a massive wedge. At least a mile wide, maybe even 1.1 miles wide. It looks like it to me. If you guys enjoy this content, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. We're going in for an intercept, guys. Keep you guys posted. I'm back, guys. Well, we hear the roar of the tornado. It's a massive wedge. Likely an EF4 tornado at the moment right now. I gotta stop. I gotta look at radar. I hope this doesn't hit a city at all. Massive wedge tornado with vortices around it. Tornado definitely came through here for sure. Keep you guys posted on a tornado when I get closer again. The tornado is actually coming towards us. That's the update. Look at radar. We're heading towards the tornado. So yeah, let's get straight into the tornado and do an intercept. Whoa, big lightning strike. My car just stalled out. Big hail. Doing major damage to my vehicle. The tornado is going for Starbuck, and it's gonna probably level Starbuck. I gotta get into the base velocity. Oh yeah. Definitely. Another tornado on the ground to the west. This tornado is moving southeast. Excuse me, right now. There's reflectivity. Oh, another hook is going to be forming right beside it. Going for Hibben. Large tornado. Okay, I'm going to stop right here. I'm going to see if I hear the roar. Oh, I hear it. Whoa, big lightning strike. Oh my god. That was a close one. Oh, that roar. Keep going straight north. Oh my god, really bad lightning strikes. We're really close to the tornado right now. These are the type of tornadoes that you don't want to be chasing, especially at night. But during the day, you can't really see them either. I do not know where the tornado is. Another tornado on the ground right here. We got a tornado right here. Is this it? Yeah, that's the tornado. Keep you guys posted. Them lightning strikes are insane. Drop a hammer probe. Intercepting the tornado. Intercepting the tornado, guys. Intercepting the tornado. Vortices. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Violent tornado. 151. An EF3 tornado. Violent EF4 tornado on the ground. But they intercepted again. Oh, it's throwing me around a bit in the field. Oh, almost got lifted up. Crazy violent tornado. Pushed me right in the field. That's a violent tornado. Violent wedge tornado. I'll keep you guys posted on the tornado once I get back on the road. The tornado is still on the ground. Also, we have another wall cloud off to our left. We might have twin tornadoes. I see the wall cloud scaried in the rain there. It's probably going to drop a large tornado. You can kind of see the tornado over there. It's a cone tornado now. That large wedge tornado is a cone now, guys. Large tornado on the ground just to west of Trent. Oh, I think it's going to be hitting Trent, guys. I'm going to keep you guys posted once I get to the second tornado. That's hitting Trent right now. Keep you guys posted. And don't forget to like and subscribe for there's more crazy content coming up. This summer, I hope my area gets good thunderstorms this year so I can go record some videos of the lightning strikes and a storm rolling through. We're heading to the other large wedge violent tornado possibly on the ground, which it does likely look like it's on the ground right now. Keep you guys posted. Update. A cone tornado on the ground. The second tornado. But they could have strong winds inside of there. I'll keep you guys posted. An update, the first tornado is on, just hit Helma. And this tornado looks like it might be going for between Funkling, Hazelton, and Wichell. White pixels, that's a strong violent tornado. Debris ball. That little donut shape there. I just missed a turn. I'll continue going straight. I can get in front of the tornado. Jeez, it's hard to drive. This roads are so slippery. Look at the motion going in that storm. Violent motion of that wall cloud. So we're going to try to intercept the tornado, guys. Another tornado intercept of the day. This will be our third intercept. I don't think we're going to make it, guys. It's crossing the road right in front of me. I can hear the roar. It's violent. Violent tornado. Strong motion. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more of this content. Hit that like button. It's going to be a crazy intercept here. My car keeps stalling out. Why does it keep doing that? They need to fix these bugs in the games like that, guys. Going in for an intercept! Violent tornado, hear the roar. Oh my gosh. The tornado attacks in front of us. Dominator 2 is in front of us. This is how you know this tornado is violent. We get the tornado attack and Dominator 2 on the storm. You know this tornado is really strong. Especially if there's Dominator 3. That would be Reed Timmer's vehicle. Large roar tornado. Large wedge violent tornado. Large tornado. Violent tornado. Alright, I'm gonna end the video here, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog, or the Twisted Beta video / vlog, whatever you guys want to call it. And I'll see you guys in another video. Peace. Zach the Storm Chaser out. See you guys. Have a great day.